Writing to a database table. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we're dipping our toe back into with some SQL. So during our live streams, we've been doing some pretty cool stuff. And what I realized is we haven't done anything sending to a table, and especially not updating, but we'll do that soon. So we have our output here, or our results table. So I'm going to show you how literally simple it is to write it to it. All you do is you write this insert statement atop, and literally it's just going to insert here's some keywords, here's some very important things. Insert into table you want. The next thing is make sure you are having these point in the exact same way. So the output that you write and the columns in the order that they come out, you just need to make sure that they are in and are expecting the same type of information, or you could get into a real pickle. All right, let's run this. So I get no errors, tell me my query is run, tells me how long it took, 59 rows, that's important information. And then I come here, hit refresh, and boom. Now I have a new table that I have created with information that I want to track. All right, please make sure you're dropping any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're joining the Discord server so you get all the help that you need and deserve. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.